Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install mods on FIFA 23. I show you guys how to install. You just need to check my video description for this site link. To download this mod, you just need to do a setting in Chrome. You just need to select the three dot icon and go to settings and select privacy and security and select the security option over here and select this no protection option because this is block the downloads. After the download done, we can go back to the standard protection, and now you can download this mod manager. Select the download option, select download all option. It will start downloading. And now check my video description for this Nexus mod site for FIFA 23. You just need to scroll down and go to popular and select the mod you want. For example, I'm going with the everything unlocked. Scroll down and go to files and select the manual download option and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to the site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log into the site, guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register here option and create a new account, and then go back to the settings and make this standard protection. And I will show you there is nothing in that mod manager. Just right click and select open with and select WinRAR. As you can see, nothing in here. Just right click and select WinRAR and select extract to option. Same thing, do it for the mod you downloaded from Nexus mod. And right click and select extract to. And you just need to go to documents and right click on the blank area and select new and select folder. Name this folder FIFA 23 mods. Press enter. To make it safe, I'm doing this. Just drag and drop the mod folder to the documents. Now just drag and drop the mods to the FIFA 23 mods folder and then open it and double click on the FIFA mod manager and again double click on the mod manager application. Select the more info and select run anyway option and select yes, and you just need to select the game location, guys. Select the scan for games, select new, and you just need to navigate to the game folder. Select the game and select open option. And after that, select the game listed and select option. Now the mod manager has been opened up. We just need to go back to the FIFA 23 mods and open the mod folder and just drag and drop this mod to this mod manager, guys. It's left side, right side. Just drag and drop over here. We can't able to drag and drop it, so select the import mods option and you just need to navigate to the documents FIFA 23 mods and open the mod folder and select the mod file and select open option. Select the OK option. Select this mod and select the apply mods option on right side. These are the active mods. If you want to disable this mod, just uncheck this option and the mod will be disabled. Check mark the mod to activate and then select launch option and the game will launch. And this will apply the mod, guys. And we have successfully installed the mod, and you can use any other mods in the Nexus mod site. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.